Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking case 8 of shortcut method. So let's start. So in case 8, it will be like if f of x is equal to e raised to ax into v. If something it is like this, e raised to ax into v, then our f of x will be v. Means, for example, the v can be anything of the previous cases, like for example it can be sin x cos x, it can be e raised to 2x or something, it can be anything. So as you all know, the yp is equal to 1 upon phi of d into f of x. Then if our f of x is equal to this part, so we can put it as 1 upon phi of d into e raised to ax into v. So after we write it like this, what we have to do is, in this case we have to put d is equal to d plus a. So if you put d is equal to d plus a, then the formation of this will be e raised to ax will take it outside. This a, we have to write d plus a, this a. Okay, then we write it as 1 upon phi of d into v. So this is a case. As we take some examples, then we'll understand how we have to solve the sums of case 8. So let's start with one example. So we have taken this example. It is d square minus 4d plus 4y is equal to e raised to 2x into sin 3x. So now we can see it is in the same form, e raised to 2x, e raised to ax into v. Now v is sin 3x. I told you all that v will be anything that is f of x. So let's start. First we'll remove yc. So ae is phi of d is equal to 0. So d square minus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we'll remove the roots, and the roots will be d is equal to 2, 2. You all can remove the roots through calci. So the roots are 2 and 2. They are real and same. So yc will be c1x plus c2 into e raised to 2x. So this is the equation 1. So now we'll remove yp. Now let's see how we can remove yp. Yp is equal to, we have this formula. So first is we have to write 1 upon phi of d. Phi of d is this part, d square minus 4d plus 4 into f of x. Now f of x is this entire part. It will be e raised to 2x into sin 3x. Now once we write this, we have to identify that which form it supports. Now this is case 8, because in case 8 we have e raised to ax into v. So now we have understood that this is of case 8. Then we have to try to solve it. We have to bring it into this form. E raised to ax, we have to keep it outside, equal to e raised to 2x, we'll keep it outside. Then we'll take 1 upon 5d inside, d square minus 4d plus 4 into, we'll take this v as sin 3x. Now we have brought it in this form. Now what we have to do is, we have to put d is equal to d plus a. So for that, now we have to put d is equal to d plus a, that is d plus 2. Now because this e raised to, it is 2x, that's why we are taking it d plus 2. So then after putting, wherever we have d, we have to put d plus 2. E raised to 2x 1 upon d plus 2 whole square minus 4 d plus 2 plus 4. Now we have to write this into sin 3x. Then we have to solve this, is equal to e raised to 2x. Now we will solve this. It is a plus b whole square. We have to use that formula. it is d square plus 4d plus 4. So then minus 4 into d, 4d, minus plus minus 4 2s are 8 plus 4 into sine 3x. So then we can simplify this. Plus 4d minus 4d gets cut. Then 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8, it will get cut. Therefore, what remains is 2x into 1 upon d square into sine 3x. So then when we have d square, we have a d square, then we have sine 3x. Now what we have to do is, you must be remembering the case 5 and case 6. Over there when we have sine 3x, what we used to put? We used to put d is equal to minus of a square, that is minus 9. So in the place of d square, we have to put d square is equal to minus of a square is equal to minus 9. That is, over here we have to put minus 9. Now we have seen that we have to put d square is equal to minus 9. So then now we'll put it is equal to e raised to 2x. We have to write as it is. Then we'll write 1 upon minus 9 into sine 3x. Now this is our yp. Now what we have to do it? We have to simplify this. E raised to 2x upon 9 into sine 3x. Now this is a yp minus. This is the second equation. Now y is equal to yc plus yp. So y will be c1x plus c2 e raised to 2x plus we have plus yp, but here we have minus e raised to 2x upon 9 into sine 3x. Now this is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, we'll be taking some more example on case 8 of shortcut method. So stay tuned. Thank you.